Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to remove the tax included text on Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. With that, let's get started. There are two easy ways to do it. Method 1, using the theme editor. From your main dashboard, look under the Sales Channel section on the left side menu and click on Online Store. Next to your live theme layout, click the Edit Theme button. At the top center drop-down menu of the editor screen, switch from Home Page to Products and then click Default Product. On the left-hand sidebar editor panel, click directly on product information and find the price block. Now on the right side, Settings window, look for the option that says Tax Information or Include Taxes and toggle it off. Then hit Save. Method 2. Using theme content. If your theme does not have that toggle feature, go back to your online store page. Click the three dots icon next to the Edit Theme button and select Edit Default Theme Content. In the search filter bar at the very top, type in the phrase, Taxes Included. Look for the field labeled Taxes Included, which currently says Taxes Included. Simply highlight that text, delete it completely, and press your spacebar once to leave a single blank space. Click the Save button in the top right corner, and that label will instantly disappear from your storefront. And that is it. You have successfully learned how to remove the tax included text on Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.